Guess what I got? Dun, 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 dun. Not a mini brands, but it's by the same company. Yeah, they're catching on to what they've started. What we actually have here is a Unicorn Squad Magical Unicorn Surprise. Personally, I think that these will probably flop compared to the mini brands, but if it looks anything like this guy here, I mean, that looks like a winner to me. So 13 of you, huh? You're only one of 13? They haven't done away with their second layer of packaging. I don't get it. Oh boy. It says 5, but I'm seeing 4. Oh, okay, that big one had our 2 in it, which, she looks great. Wow, she's got shoes. Last but not least, we have a hair comb and sushi stickers. These feel very related to the whole thing. If we review the guide.